Hello everyone, I am Manish Sunwar from Everbrisk, and today I am gonna talk about HTTP, that is Hypertext Transfer Protocol. So without delaying time, let's start with the definition of HTTP. HTTP is a protocol which allows the fetching of resources such as HTML documents. It is the foundation of any data exchange on the web, and it is a client-server protocol, which means requests are initiated by the recipient, usually the web browser. A complete document is reconstructed from the different sub-documents fetched, for instance text, layout descriptions, images, videos, scripts, and more. Clients and servers communicate by exchanging individual messages as opposed to a stream of data. The messages sent by the client, usually a web browser, are called requests, and the messages sent by the server as an answer are called responses. Designed in the early 1990s, HTTP is an extensible protocol which has evolved over time. It is an application layer protocol that is sent over TCP or over a TLS encrypted TCP connection. Though any reliable transport protocol could theoretically be used, due to its extensibility, it is used to not only fetch hypertext documents but also images and videos, or to post content to servers, like with HTML form results. HTTP can also be used to fetch parts of documents to update web pages on demand. HTTP is a pretty extensible protocol. It relies on a few basic concepts like the notion of resources and URLs, a simple structure of messages, and a client-server structure for the communication flow. On the top of these basic concepts, numerous extensions have appeared over the years, adding new functionality and new semantics by creating new HTTP methods or headers. Now let's move to the basic aspects of HTTP. HTTP is simple. HTTP is generally designed to be simple and human readable, even with the added complexity introduced in HTTP2 by encapsulating HTTP messages into frames. HTTP messages can be read and understood by humans, providing easier testing for developers and reduced complexity for newcomers. HTTP is extensible. Introduced in HTTP 1.0, HTTP headers make this protocol easy to extend and experiment with. New functionality can even be introduced by a simple agreement between a client and a server about a new header's semantics. HTTP is stateless but not sessionless. HTTP is stateless. There is no link between two requests being successively carried out on the same connection. This immediately has the prospect of being problematic for the users attempting to interact with certain pages coherently, for example using e-commerce shopping baskets. But while the core of HTTP itself is stateless, HTTP cookies allow the use of stateless sessions. Using header extensibility, HTTP cookies are added to the workflow, allowing session creation on each HTTP request to share the same context or the same state. So I think you have understood about HTTP. So if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel to get notified when I upload the new videos, and thank you very much.